What's up, Hamuzi Squad? Get ready for the Vivid Voltage Challenge. Thank you.
And today's Pokemon card opening is the Vivid Voltage Booster Pack Challenge. One for me and one for you, Hamuzi.
Thank you. Whoa.
I've got a
Vivid
chunk of
Voltage.
chew on my pack art, so it matches.
Wow, this is really hard.
Want me to open that for you?
Yes, please.
That's good. That means the Pokemon can't run out. And you've got a Zarude. Alright, let's do this. Which pack do you want?
I'm gonna open this.
Alright, let's go.
Well,
We are not starting out solid, fam. Hamuzi Squad, I don't know. Our luck ran dry, I think, with the last 5 packs we opened.
okay. So we got energy.
Alright. I'm just gonna run through it. Cargo and a Lycanroc, not even a reverse or a hollow. What a bust.
Ooh. Oh.
Well, you got this one right here, reverse Pincurchin.
And that's it. We got Galarian Meow.
Alright, well, thanks for stopping by in this quick video.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe and enjoy your prize.